Hey guys, so today I will be showing you how to solve the Penrose Cube. So what the Penrose Cube is, it's a 3x3 mod. So what that means is it's basically a 3x3 but with a few differences, and those differences being that it only has 3 colors, white, red, and blue, and 2 sides can have the same color, which creates this kind of curved edge piece that only has 1 color. Normally it have 2 colors, but it only has 1. And you really only need to know how to solve the 3x3 to be able to solve the Penrose, because it's pretty much the same thing. But there are a few things you need to watch out, such as the parodies you can get with these edge pieces. So I'll just start scrambling and show you guys how to solve the cube. And I'd like to start with the side with the Z, just easier. And you do the same thing as you do on a 3x3. You first do the white cross, and I want a white and blue piece, so I just rotate this piece, and I want a white and white. So what I would need for this edge is the warped white piece, which is this one, and bring that down. Now I need a red and white piece, and I need a blue and white piece. And we have one right here, and that's our white cross. Now we do the corners. So this the white, and we have a blue and a white, so we would need to find a corner piece that has a warped blue and a white. So it would be this one. It has the warped blue and the white. So fit in it like that. And now here's a white, and a blue. So we would need to find a piece that has a warped white edge and a blue side too. So let's just rotate this one until it fits in. And the last one is white, and red, so we would need to find another warped white piece with a red side. So this is this one, and we just put it in. And now we can do the second layer. So the second layer looks pretty much solved except this one. And let's just find a blue white piece, put it in, and that's our 2 layers. So like I've mentioned before, you can have parodies with these edges because no matter how you orient them, they look the same, so you can never tell if they're in the correct orientation or not. Same as this one. Like normally you would need to solve for a yellow cross, and this looks like it's not right because you have 3, and normally you would only have either 2, a line, or just the center, but here we have a 3. But that's okay because this one, it could be, the red could be up, or it could be it could be oriented either way. So we can just do the algorithm and put it up and see how you have the cross, even though there was only 3 without that one, because that one you can orientate freely. And now we would solve the top. Just like we would on the normal 3x3. And here. And there's our top red side. And now we do the last step. We permutate these pieces, and this, so we find 2 corner pieces that are in the right place, which there is none. So we would just switch these 2 pieces and see where we go. And now we would need to swap this. We would need to swap these 3 edges and these 2, so I would just do another T-perm. And now we need to swap these 3 edges, so we do clockwise. And there you go. That's how you solve a Penrose cube. And like I mentioned before, if you couldn't do the top because there was a parity error, you can always go back and just flip the blue side and just try that. If that doesn't work, then maybe the top was already oriented correctly and you just thought it was oriented incorrectly. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.